The Smart Search add-on just allows you to search through a store and showcase your entire store automatically. All you need to do to use this add-on is navigate to the theme settings, head into the Debutify add-ons, and then locate Smart Search. Make sure that this is checked on. If I just put in C here, we can see a whole bunch of products and pages that correlate to the letter C. So there's a few different customizations that we can do here. If we just put a placeholder in here, we can show the price or deactivate that setting and swap it for the vendor. And we can change the result limit. Right now we're seeing 4, decrease or increase that as you like. As we can see, the vendor here is identical, so I probably wouldn't use that on this store. Products, collections, articles, pages, show all results for, we can change that as well, just to fit your brand. And there you go. And if you're not using Debutify yet, get started today at debutify.com completely free. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support inside the Debutify app.